Unit 3, Day 20 Notes, Part 4. So what we want to do here is we want to find the equation of a normal line drawn to the graph f theta when theta equals pi. So I have to go through and take the derivative and then let theta equal pi. That's going to give me the slope of the tangent line. I know that the slope of the normal line is the negative reciprocal of that, and then I can find the point of tangency. Again, the normal line and tangent line intersect at that point of tangency. So a bunch of steps here, but let's start by taking the derivative, and we can notice I'm going to have to use the quotient rule. So it's the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared. How else do we say it? Ho-de hi minus hi-de ho all over ho-ho. Let's simplify now. Once I'm done simplifying, now let's substitute in uh, pi so I can try to find the slope of the tangent line. I replace the theta, put in pi. So when I substitute that in, I get 3 times cosine of pi. I know the cosine of pi is going to end up being negative 1. So it's going to be 3 times negative 1 plus 3 pi times sine of pi. Sine of pi is 0. And I just said before that cosine of pi is going to be negative 1. Again, I know it looks like you square something first, but you got to take the cosine of pi. It's negative 1, then square it. And when we simplify this, 3 pi 0, 0. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 over positive 1, which is negative 3. So I now know slope of the tangent line is negative 3. Therefore, the slope of the normal line is equal to positive 1/3. Let's go and find the point of tangency by substituting in pi back into the original function. So I'm going to get 3 pi all over cosine of pi, which we said cosine of pi is negative 1, so 3 pi over negative 1, which is negative 3 pi. So pi, negative 3 pi is the point of tangency. I know we're not trying to find the tangent line, but that's where they intersect. So there's my point. Up here is my slope. And now we can write my equation of the line. Y minus y1, which will be y plus 3 pi. And this is equal to the slope 1/3 times x minus x1, which is just pi. Perfect. And that'll be it for part 4. On the next page, I want us to find the derivative of each of the functions below by applying the quotient rule. Why don't you guys try those, and then on the next video, we'll be able to double check those. So I'll write those out, and that's what we do on part 5.